Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 70, and today I will show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. Now for this you will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right over here. It comes provided with the device in the box, so you can get it somewhere from between like the paperwork. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip. Straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray. So for that you need to take off the case of your phone. And the tray will be located at the bottom of the device, right over here. So take your little tool. As you can see, once you have the pin, you can push it in, and tray will pop out, enough for you to grab it and take it out. On the tray you have space for two different SIM cards on either side. You can occupy both of them if you want to, but if you're using only one SIM card, just place it on one of the trays. It doesn't matter which one. From there, push it back into the device, and the card should start working right away. And as you can see, it's already connected, Virgin Mobile, so there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.